Now welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to show you how I made this nice good medium rare steak. It's the Angus Top Steak, and I'd like to show you how I made it. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to add 1/4 cup of virgin olive oil, extra virgin. Okay, next we're going to add 1/4 cup of just regular mint water. Okay, next we're going to add some of this. And we're going to stir this up real good. We're going to stir that really good before we apply it to the steak. Okay, we're going to apply our mixture to our meat. I don't have a brush, so I'm just going to get this all over it. We'll do it to both sides. Yeah, that's going to be delicious. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, we got this on a medium heat on our grill, and we're gonna just fry this for a little bit. And look, yeah, it's very important. If you don't want a fully cooked steak, you want a medium rare, you want to cook it on a slow heat. Don't have it too high because you don't want to cook through too quick. Yeah, take a look at that. That looks good. Almost done. Okay, take this off. I like to add a little bit of liquid smoke. It's almost ready. Okay, we got done cooking this steak. Look at that, medium rare. It's hard to show in light. Let me get into the light with this, where you can see the. Hope you can see it on. That's a medium rare steak. You can cook less and get a little more medium rare, but that's medium rare steak. Pink right there. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching, and if you enjoy my videos, don't hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss the notification, and I'll see you next time.